So Bree's up here and we're within the 1 minute. We've got Brown in yellow and St. Mary's in black.
So St. Mary's on the left of the screen in boat 12 protecting the pin end. Both boats in this pair on the right side, a little late to the start. I think we've got a boat over, but then they've already cleared themselves. And it's all clear at the start with St. Mary's winning the pin, Brown winning in the middle. And then this other pair, Brown is winning the pair, but both boats behind everybody else. Big righty off the start. You can see the windward mark in the top right of the screen. These boats are pointed just a few degrees off of it. We haven't seen much wind shift lately. I'm not sure what's going on here. So Brown has put boat 10 convincingly in the 6th spot, which is always good, but St. Mary's definitely a threat to go 1-2 right now. They're leading both of the upwind pairs. So Brown needs to get those guys unbalanced, and that's why you can see they're doing so many tacks, just trying to get the two pairs unbalanced and create an opportunity for themselves to get into that 2nd place spot. Umpire call from boat 4. Green flag. So green flag means no penalty. From an umpire's perspective, it either means that they saw the incident and they don't think there was a penalty for either team, and so it's green, or it means they just didn't see anything that could be a penalty. Approaching the mark, that's Brown on the inside. They get mark room, and now they've got a pin. But the next boat's going to be St. Mary's, so Brown's going to have to tack around the mark. St. Mary's rounding in a 2, 3, 4. And so Brown did everything right there except spinning. I don't know what the penalty was for, but boat 4 spins on the right side, ends up in 6th place, and puts their team in a losing combination. Quite a bit of shouting here, but I'm not really sure I saw anything out of the ordinary. Looked to me like St. Mary's had mark room there, 2, 3, 4 around the bottom mark. You know, I wasn't looking closely though. I'm not sure what Brown is complaining about. But there is a red flag and it's on 11. Okay, so obviously they were looking at something I wasn't. And that's gonna be 2 turns. If you spin voluntarily in team racing, it's 1 turn. If you wait for the umpire to give you a red flag, it's going to be 2 turns, just as it would be in fleet racing. So that was a big break for Brown. Brown now with a first but not last. That's the easy way to think of it, kind of a mantra in team racing. In this case, it's a 1, 4, 5, but anything that's first but not last would be a winning combination. You can see the lead boat ragging the jib. Brown's got starboard advantage and takes him out. Brown now. 1, 3, 4. St. Mary's is running out of options.
Just how quickly a race can divulge like this, Chris, it's crazy. St. Mary's was looking so confident, so cool, calm and collected, and now these back 2 boats are, you know, hectic and there's not much left for them to do.
Well, gee, I'd like to review that videotape of the... That was a frivolous umpire call, green flag there. 10 didn't think they had time enough to tack, but clearly they did because there was no contact. Ooh, that was a nice play though, dipping down, hunting, and putting 4 back, but meanwhile the lead boats have gotten to ley line and are coming back into the finish. I'd really like to take a look at that leeward mark again and see what exactly the penalty was. I didn't see how the overlaps were established, and I think that might have been the key to why Brown is now winning this race.
Watch out.
Oh boy, big play up in the top right corner though. John Wallace for St. Mary's has boat number 5 tied up, and now it's going to be a sprint to the finish. Oh, boat 6. Yes, they're going to take the 1. They've got no choice here. They need to get first. St. Mary's takes the 2. Brown looking for the 3. And yes, Brown finishing 1-3 and gets the win. St. Mary's 2, 4, 5. Boy, St. Mary's did a nice job coming back, but just not quite enough. Not enough time and distance to the finish line, and Brown takes a win away from St. Mary's.